Hello and what's up guys, today I want to show how to create a game, meaning browser game with ChatGPT. So I created the game. uh, you see now how it's working, how it's uh, doing. Here this game is very easy, nothing hard. It's showing the images, and you need to detect what the movie is showing in here. For example, I don't know, for example, this you need put some what's the name. For example, if I putting here something, I don't know, if I putting here the silence of the lamps, this, and submit, I getting the score 1. I don't know what is game. This is Terminator, not game, sorry, film. Terminator. Okay. If I typing not correct answer, I getting the error incorrect gas. Please try again. And that's all. You have 10 seconds for answer. After 10 seconds, it's doing animation. It's showing next images. So that's all. Okay, how I started doing that? Okay, first we need to open our new chat in ChatGPT. Create a project where you want. For example, I have my location. This is my local host, and I will create here the code man. For example, test. Okay, it's my URL is test. Okay, here everything's empty. Okay, now opening in Visual Studio for creating everything what we need. Okay, first what I write this message, you can see. Okay, it's giving me some suggestions, but I write me in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and give me code. Okay, first step is give me code, but without any animations and etc. I will show index.html. So, okay, we see some small result like this, but we see it's not showing the images. So this is I not right here, but it's need this. This is HTML tag meta char set UTF-8. This is very important. Without this, it's not will be showing correct the images. So now okay, yeah, now it's showing. Then I need more modern color styles. Okay, he's give me another body. I will change. Okay, changing new body. Okay, checking what's happened here. Okay, structure small change I have. Okay, have another CSS, another styles. Checking, yeah, it look this. Okay, very nice. Okay, scroll down. Yeah, him alright. I want show error message. Okay, I getting and changing the code, and now it's showing the errors. Okay, now everything okay. I want timer 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, it will be show next emojis. I write this command. It will changing everything in script and giving me new script. I can here change 10 seconds. For example, if you want 20 or I don't know 5 seconds you can change here, of course. Okay, checking. uh, Something incorrect. Yeah. uh, ChatGPT give me function, but it's not working because in HTML we don't have any for timer, any tag for timer show. Okay, now I him right. I also need a show in HTML and styles. Okay, now I changing the HTML body side. Okay, refresh. Okay, I see my mm, timer is working. Okay, very nice. We have the styles, new style, updated version, and okay. So that's all. We have the one-to-one. Only I here I change only the font size. You can of course do this. So it's basically it's a very easy game for beginners, and that's all. Yeah. If you like my video, please like, share, comment what you want for next, and if you like ChatGPT, like me, please. That's all. Okay, bye.